All right, if you want to get a really cool 360 shot of your car, you want this right here. This is a big system here. 5 suction mounts, and they all work together. So you have the kind of an interchangeable system depending on where you want to put these, but let's just start with this. So we have the 3 suction mounts there, and you're going to pop them on your car somewhere, and they have like a little lever on here so you can press it down. It sucks all the air out, making it very strong. So you have 3 suction mounts, and then you have like a dual ball head system here. And then you have this selfie pole that sticks out very, very far. So you're gonna pop this thing on the quarter thread that comes with this, and you can see how far this goes. Very far, where you can get some amazing stuff. Now, what is great about this is the ability to work together, because a lot of times if you have the one pull there, it's gonna shake a little bit, but you can stick this thing out and then you can use this. This is a dual system, and you're gonna pop this on there, and it has a clamp on there. So you can set this on one part of the car, like maybe in the hood, and then as it's sticking out further, you can use this part right there just to give it that extra stability to keep it from bouncing around. So you have the same thing. You have 2 dual suction mounts here that also have the levers that you can use to squeeze out all the air, just making it very strong, very stable, and just getting some amazing shots while you're driving with your 360 camera, or even if you want to put any other cameras on the end of it. It has a lot of stability to it. Quality made products as well. Very, very strong, and they work. So highly recommend this system if you're looking to capture some amazing stuff, especially while driving. This is great, so highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.